Sometimes people are surprised by losing their medical insurance. They find out it will end the day of, the day before, or a few days after their coverage has ended. And sometimes it can take a few days or even weeks to get a new policy in place. But there are other availables that you can go with. Short-term health insurance plans are available online and can be placed by midnight of the night that you submit your application. These plans are not designed to take the place of your regular coverage because they will end in 6 months and you will need to reapply to continue the coverage after that point. But the benefits for hospitalization, emergency room, or surgeries will be the same as the coverage people are familiar with. Short-term health insurance plans are full major medical plans that go through the same approval process with the Department of Insurance just like any other available plan. There are instant issue plans if you purchase them over the internet. Instant issue means that if you answer a few health questions on the application that you do not have any medical problems, then the plan will be issued. It is not guaranteed issue because you might be turned down for coverage if you do not qualify after the medical history survey. But if you qualify, it usually takes less than 5 minutes to have your entire policy packet emailed to you for the coverage that starts by midnight. Short-term health insurance plans cost much less than other plans because it is basic coverage. Every new illness or injury is covered subject to the deductible and coinsurance. There are no co-payments for doctor's visits or prescription drugs. These plans do not offer benefits for preventative care either, but it does qualify as continuous coverage as you will be issued a certificate of continuous coverage at the end of the policy. This is one of the many reasons people purchase the short-term health insurance plans. They need the coverage but don't expect to use it. They get a higher deductible so they will not suffer a waiting period for pre-existing conditions on their new policy. If you go without coverage for more than 62 days, then you'll probably have a waiting period for any new pre-existing conditions. So if you need coverage right away, short-term health insurance plans are a great way to go.